Hello everybody, thank you for joining our special presentation today on the JFC Evolution automatic calf feeder. My name is James McGrath and I'm the Evolution Sales Manager with JFC. I'm delighted to present to you all today. Evolution has two different models, the S4 model and the S2 model. The S4 model has the capability of feeding 140 calves on 4 feed stations. Evolution S2 has the capability of feeding 70 calves on 2 feed stations. Firstly, we'll look at the S4 model in a little bit more detail. The S4 model has a unique dual hopper system for feeding 2 types of calf milk replacer. Each hopper can hold 30 kgs or in total 3 bags of powder. The reason for the dual hopper is that you can decide to feed bulls and heifers 2 different powders if you wish. The machine also has 2 mixing bowls, mixing bowl A and mixing bowl B. So on 4 feed stalls, mixing bowl A will feed stalls 1 and 2 and mixing bowl B will feed stalls 3 and 4. This machine can be used on say 2, 3 or 4 feed stalls. For example, you may decide to use the S4 with 2 feed stalls this year for 70 calves, and as you decide to increase your numbers in the years ahead, you can simply add a 3rd and 4th stall to fit your requirement. The S2 model is different in the sense that it has one 40 kg hopper for one type of milk replacer. It has 1 mixing bowl, it comes with 2 feed stalls and it can feed up to 70 calves. This machine is suited for 70 calves, but unlike the S4, you can't add on a 3rd and 4th feed stall as you require. The feed stall itself is universal and it's used on both machines. As you can see, it's very strong and durable, it's very easy to clean, and it's fitted with a locking control bar at the back. The locking control bar at the back of the feed stall is used as an aid for training, so when you put your calf in the first day to train him, you can simply put the bar in behind to keep the calf there to make it easier for yourself. The feed stalls can be bolted onto calf slats, as you can see. Using the calf slats keeps the feed stall off the ground. It's easier to keep clean and it's easier to keep clean and tidy for where the calf is standing. The machine also has automatic cleaning. This is preset and you can wash the machine up to 4 wash cycles a day. The machine heats itself to 65 degrees to remove any stubborn grime or dirt that's in the lines, and an alkaline detergent is used to aid the process. As you can see by the feed stall, this is also very easy to clean, as it is a complete plastic mould. There is no exposed wires or cables, and you can simply wash down the feed stall to keep in around the teeth clean at all times. The machine itself is very easy to use. Both machines are fitted with a 7-inch HDMI touchscreen that is very easy to use for any person that's on the farm. If you have any further questions on the Evolution calf feeder, please don't hesitate to contact any of us or any of the team at JFC. Thank you.